Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. This is another unboxing, but I'm so super excited about this item. So if you guys like anything that's bag related, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. Also share this video with all of your loved ones, friends. Let them come join the family as well. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. I love you guys, and let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so like I stated, I'm so super excited. I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. This box just got delivered, so I wanted to shoot this video so I can get it out to you guys. This item that's in this box, oh my god, yes, I've been waiting for it to get delivered. But let's stop ranting and let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so I got my box cutter. Okay. Let's see how. Ooh, he boxed it real good. Okay, let's get this again. This box is so secure, so that's a really good thing. Okay. And then ooh. Let's see if we can open this box. Okay. All right. Wow. This is very securely done, so that's a good thing. All right, let's. Whew. Guys, you see, I am sweating just to open this box. Wow. Okay. 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 Wow. This box is packaged amazing. All right, so let's get the amazing orange box out. And then I'm going to take off this big old box out of the way. And then I will reveal what's in the box. Okay, let's move this big old box out the way. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see the box. Yes. So it's another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So just a quick story time before I open it. I know you guys came here for the unboxing, but quick story time. I had to change my CA, so I went and got another amazing one because this item, I was waiting for this item for so long, and my CA that I currently had, I asked him if I could pre-order, and he was like, it's not available. So I found somebody else, and I was able to pre-order this item. This item is not even out yet. It's not even on the Louis Vuitton website yet. But anyway, so this is my receipt. Quick thing. Alrighty. And then let's see. Oh my god, my new client advisor is amazing. Look, wrap this really nice. All right, so let's see. Let's get this item unboxed. So what is in here? It's just like a blank card, but this is so cute. So it's like a little gift thing. So if I was gifting it, I can write a little note on here. This is nice. Alrighty. Okay, guys. So can you guys guess what it is? Like I stated, it's not on the Louis Vuitton website yet. It's supposed to be coming out on September 30th. But I'm not even sure if they're going to put it on the Louis Vuitton website because I think this is going to be very limited. I actually knew about this bag from Marquita LV Luxury. She has been talking up this bag. She was able to receive hers because obviously she has a great relationship with her CA. So she got hers, but she's been talking about this. She called this the Marquita, and I will leave it there before, because if I say it, then you guys will know exactly what it is. So let's open this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, this is so pretty. All right. Oh my God, this new CA is amazing. I'm gonna ask him if it's okay for me to give his information to you guys. But this is beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, so let's take it out. And the box itself. Oh, sorry about the movement. All right, let me move the LV box out the way. And the ribbon. Okay, guys. So, without any further ado, can you guys guess what it is by just the shape? All right, so let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, guys. Oh my God, it is here in person. Guys, can you see what this is? So this is the brand new Louis Vuitton. It's the Loop Hobo bag. Look at it, guys. This thing is so beautiful. OMG. All right, let's see. Got my bubble wrap. I got my crossbody strap. I have I think it should come with a keychain too, but let's see what's in here real quick. Okay. Oh, it does have the chain. Oh, I'm so super excited about this, guys. So it comes with the chain. So it does have a chain and a crossbody strap. And then it has, let's see what else is in here. So we got the crossbody strap right here. Okay. And then we have the little pochette. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Look at it, guys. Ah, so you got the little pochette right here. It comes with it. Oh my God, this thing is so beautiful in person. And it's attached to the inside right here, but you can take it off. But this is so beautiful in person. So it doesn't have any inside pocket, just a quick first impression. So no inside pocket at all, but it has such a good space. So this is a hobo bag. So basically when you start putting things in it, it's supposed to slouch. So it's supposed to slouch like this. So it's supposed to kind of give it like that little hobo-ness. It's like a reverse monogram. So you got the reverse monogram on the side right here. Isn't this so beautiful? And you have the treated leather. This is the treated leather right here. You got the canvas. So this is a coated canvas. You have the 2 zipper, which also come with the treated leather and the crossbody strap. Let's put this down. So this crossbody strap is adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different straps that you can use. 9 different holes that you can use in order for you to adjust it so that it can fit your body size and your height. But it is adjustable and it's removable or detachable. So this is it, and this is treated leather as well. You guys know how I feel about the Louis Vuitton. I always try to get something that's treated leather. And then, as you guys can see, so this is the chain. It's not really a long chain. It's supposed to just kind of make it as a style to come across the bag right here. So if you put it, you can put it like, attach it to, let me take this plastic off it so I can just show you guys a little bit what it is. Okay. So what you do, you take it, you attach it to right here. Okay. You take this one and you attach it as well to here. So you can hold it with this right here with the chain if you wanted to, without even taking the crossbody strap. But if you wanted to just leave it dangling, it would dangle on the side. So right now, because it don't have anything really heavy in it, it kind of look like a moon shape. But it is going to get this slouchy shape, like, so basically it will kind of be like this once you start putting stuff in it. So if you put this like just a little bit like this, and then the chain usually will kind of just stay something like that if you want to use your crossbody strap. But this is basically what it will kind of look like once you start putting stuff in it. And it's a big old open canvas, so just remember that it's huge in there so you can fill it up. But I feel like it might get heavy because I haven't put anything, but this is the shape that it's going to give you once you start putting stuff in it. It gives you that moon crescent shape, so like that. But this is basically what it's going to look like when you start putting stuff in it. So same thing. Okay, so that's basically what it will look like. So yes, guys, I am so super excited to have this in my collection. Oh my god, this is so beautiful in person. Like, it is beautiful in person. I am so excited about this. If you guys want me to do a full detailed review about this bag or do a comparison between like a similar type of bag that's a little bit of a lower price tag, just let me know. I will definitely get that video out to you guys. But I just wanted to get this video out to you guys real quick, just so you can see what my first impression is of this bag. I am in love, love, love. I think love is not even a strong word. I love this bag. I just think it's so beautiful. It gives you that hobo style like that I've been looking for, because I've been looking for a bag that's hobo style but that's big enough. So this is the GM size, just the FYI. I think it's the only size that they make in this bag. They won't have any other size. And like Marquita always said, this bag, honestly, when they get released on the September 30th, even if it even goes on the website, it might sell out really fast because this is a hot bag. Just look at the reverse monogram, guys. Look at the reverse monogram. That's just, this detail is just so amazing. Then it has the chain, and then it has the little pochette on there. Like, look at this. You got the little pochette, so that's why they didn't really give you any pockets, because they wanted you to fill it. Like, so you see it has the textile kind of lining on the inside with the material. It has the Louis Vuitton tag right here that says made in France, and then it's just a big old open space that you can just put anything in, anything. And I think this will fit so much. It might get heavy because it's kind of like a hobo style, but look at how much space this gives, guys. Big old openness. And then you got the little pochette, which is beautiful. So let's see if we take it off. I mean, open it. I'm sorry. Same thing. Oh, so it has a little pocket right here. So if you guys are interested in shopping it, let me give you the information. Let me get that for you guys. So this is it right here. It's the Loop Hobo GM size. So this is the product number M46311. The product number again is M46311. It's in the reverse monogram, but it's the Loop Hobo GM bag. Okay, so that's what that is. And this is just basically telling you what it's made of. External is made of coated canvas. Internal is made of synthetic textile, and then the trim is vachetta leather, but it's treated vachetta leather though. See why it's not focusing? Okay, there you go. So it's treated vachetta leather, and it just said in French. So this is it right here, the product code. So if you guys are interested in shopping it, you can definitely shop it. Okay, and as you guys can see, it is packed. I mean, it is amazing. Look at it, guys. Just a big open space. So anyway, guys, so this is just my first impression of just opening the box. Like I stated, the box just came in, and I was like, I need to get this video out to you guys of me just unboxing this beauty. This is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys want me, like I said, if you guys want me to do a more detailed review of the bag and also what fit, the weight and everything, please let me know in the comment below, and I'll definitely get that out to you guys. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.